This is about to be crazy.
And isn't it going like around a little south?
I'm gonna let you guys introduce yourself, you guys, in just a little bit. Let's get things going here on the stream.
Winds are now forecast at the peak at 145 on the official.
Yeah, the same thing. The same thing.
I'm gonna let you guys introduce yourself. You guys
enjoy. Oh my God, 964, right above Puerto Rico.
All right, we are live, you guys. We are gonna take a look.
Oh my God.
We're about to get another pass.
Sorry.
We are.
Yeah, they're going. Looks like they're going to be going for a direct from east to west.
All right, we are live, you guys. We are gonna. You guys can help promote it, the YouTube live stream, because you guys are gonna be on it too. Like how I don't know how Pat does it. You heard?
Yeah, we heard you. Yep, we heard.
All right. We're getting ready. All right, we already got 6 watching. Welcome, everybody. And already 3 likes. This is awesome already. 4 likes already. Wow, this is already going up. If you guys are new, please hit the smash like button, and we're going to be getting started here on now category 2 hurricane. How do I mute this? Wow, this is about to be crazy. Okay, what did you send? Okay. What's that?
All the members of the Euro and the pressure, the lowest pressures that they get to.
Welcome back, everybody. We already got 7 people watching. We're already gaining pretty good here. 8 now.
There are more than, I think there's 4 or 5 members of the Euro ensemble that get this below 912. 8 now.
How do I mute my... I need it. 1 second. Hello, everybody. We are going to be taking a look at Hurricane Milton. Oh, hey, no. No. I mean, Erin.
The PTSD.
Hello, everybody. We are going to be taking a look at... Oh, hey, no. No. Okay, we are going to be... Does anyone know how to do that? Are they live? I like to look at the chat. Okay, you guys, are you guys with me right now?
Yep.
We already... Yeah. If you guys are not looking, we already have 15 views, 6 likes, and we already got things, people already commenting. Okay, so it's moving west or west-northwest. We're going to be going over that in just a moment. Everybody.
Oh, so it's moving west-northwest, so it's getting latitude, right?
Okay.
But the satellite is saying otherwise. The eye is moving directly west.
Can you guys... If you guys are in the chat, can you guys hear the Discord people? Okay, let's try that again. Can you guys talk for a second?
Hello? Yep.
Can
Talking.
you hear me?
Hello?
Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys can. Comment down below if you guys can hear them. No, not really. Damn it. You guys just want to be in the chat and stuff? I mean, they're saying a little bit. It's hard to. Does a weaker... Okay. Do you guys want to, like, control the chat and stuff?
Wait, I can...
Like Delta or anything? Because there's going to be a lot of questions going on this stream. A little louder. Yeah. It's much harder. Do you guys want to, like, control the chat? Okay.
Alright, if you guys can hear me, I'm Delta. Can you hear me in the chat?
I don't think they can. I wonder. Can you guys hear him? It's probably hard to hear. I mean, it's a little, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'm not going to go sweat on it. Because I do want to start this, everything. You heard? We're already at 20 views, 7 likes. We're already doing awesome. Yeah, a little. Okay, so you can hear Delta. I think you guys just need to talk a little louder. I heard that it's just quiet. Yeah, it's a little hard to hear.
Can you hear me, though? Can you hear LTW?
They're saying it's hard to hear him, and Delta went a little louder. I'm just going to start the stream and kind of just talk on everything. If you guys want to look in the chat and just keep an eye out on the chat, that's going to be a big thing.
Yeah, I can watch your chat.
Yeah.
And then I can just say the name, and then I can answer the question.
Yeah.
We got a problem here.
What?
So the icon on Childhood Tidbits doesn't have the 30, 30, 36, 39, 42 hours.
All right, we'll wait.
So 45 through 51, and
Oh.
they're showing in the 40s.
Oh, it's all good.
Digital weather has the full run, and it's after 54 hours.
Okay, we'll be taking a look at that in one moment. Once again, if you guys are new, please like and subscribe. We are already at 22 watching in 7 minutes with 8 likes. We are doing absolutely great. But we are going to be taking a look at the models, the Recon. We're going to be taking also a look at satellite imagery. What else are we going to look at? Pretty much everything. Data. We're going to be listening in the... We have Delta. That's going to be in the chat. And we're going to be having... Who else? We're going to have LTW in the chat most likely. Kent might be in the chat. And Charlie probably in the chat also. They're going to be trying to answer some questions. So if you guys have questions, please, check out what they are doing. So, basically, let me just... Okay, this is about to be an interesting stream. For sure. I don't even know what to take a look at. We're just going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center and just start there. We're going to be also taking a look at the icon. Let's get my lovely highlighter because I know we're about to be talking about some pretty crazy information from the National Hurricane Center. I haven't even looked at it. It's going good, Void. It's all good. It's going very good, actually. Let's get up to 400 subscribers. Also, let's ask any questions if you guys want. Ooh, I just hit my mic. So, we're going to actually read this out. Erin appears to be starting rapid intensification tonight. So, already just right then and there, first line is, it's already major. We are now beginning rapid intensification. So, don't think I'm overhyping this. This is wording from the National Hurricane Center. The structure on satellite imagery has improved quite dramatically. Wow, already in 2 lines and they're already going strong, with a small eye becoming more apparent on infrared satellite images within a small but cold central dense overcast. GOES 19 1-minute imagery also shows convection hot towers rotating around and helping to make the hurricane's core more axis circle like what we had with Dorian. Usually stronger storms have it. New date. The new update's already in. That's what I'm reading right now.
Oh, are you sharing your screen? Oh, you're not?
No. Okay. So. Okay.
That is wow.
Wow. By the way, if you guys want to send stuff in the general chat that I'm gonna be looking through, I'll be greatly appreciated. But let's keep talking here. Where we have had a wealth of data from both NOAA and Air Force Reserve hurricane hunters this evening. That Tail Doppler Radar data board, the NOAA P-3, showed that the wind field has become much better organized, especially in the northern semicircle, with tilt diagnosed showing Erin deep layer circulation now vertically aligned. There's another thing. Now we have it aligned, so even more strengthening. Within the past hour, the Air Force C-130 aircraft found 700 millibar flight levels up to 92 knots in the northwestern quadrant. This is reduced to subsense of 85 knots. That's about 95, 96 miles an hour. So that will be making Erin into a Category 2 hurricane. So this was just confirmed a hurricane earlier today. And we are already at a Category 2 hurricane. Very crazy. This is looking more like a fish storm. I won't say that fully just yet. There's a lot of things going on, you guys, to be honest. Okay. Okay. Not on Discord? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay. Okay, let's read the next paragraph here. The hurricane moved a little right of the track. Another very big line right there of this evening, but smoothing out the wobbles. The latest motion still appears to be west-northwestward. Not much has changed on the track, with a large subtropical anticyclone to help to steer Erin off west-northwestward. I'm not fully buying that because we are more having a westward. When I show you guys satellite, you guys will be able to see. Thanks in part of serious digging, short waves along a broad long wave trough centered just west of the Atlantic Canada. This evolution in synaptic patterns should allow Erin to turn northwestward and then northern by the end of the forecast period. The track guidance remained in pretty good agreement for the first 2 to 3 days, but a cross-track spread does increase by day 5. With the Euro model on the left side of the guidance and the GFS on the right, the latest National Hurricane Center track forecast is quite similar to the prior one and elects to split the difference between these solutions close to the HICCA and the GDMI track solutions. So in the short term, another very important thing, and we're going to have to watch this, there is wait. What's the intensity? Okay, we are now expected a 145 mile an hour hurricane. That's very intense. We could actually see that probably more. I wouldn't be surprised.
I wouldn't be surprised if they go 155.
I wouldn't. Alright, I know everybody's probably like, okay, just look at the damn storm and stuff. Okay, does a weaker Bermuda or air zone high warm the Atlantic? Does it? I think so. Does anyone want to answer that?
I would say yes, because
Just write it in the comment. They can't hear you, so. Sup, Weather Kano, Erin's now category 2. Hey, Michelle, Howard, the Dark Horse, also hello. Wow. Alright, we are already doing great. If you guys are new, please like and subscribe. That our goal is to 400 subscribers. Also, let's get up to 30 likes this stream. I honestly think we can already do that. We already have 40, almost 40 people watching. Alright, we're going to be here for hurricane data and everything. So, I'm afraid let's look at the satellite imagery. So, from last live stream I done, yeah, things have changed dramatically. This hurricane has strengthened quite intense, actually more than I expected. I was very busy with work. I would say yes due to reduction in trade winds. Okay. Oh, okay. Where has Pat been? Why didn't he make a video or live stream tonight? You guys can answer that. You're gonna have to write that in the chat. Okay. So this is the lovely hurricane. It's not lovely at all, you guys. This is pretty intense, okay? This is, in my eyes, this is just a full-blown rapid intensification storm. We clearly have a very dense overcast here. I mean, look, we even have an eye, a pinhole eye trying to develop right there. We got the islands here, actually. By the way, this is an island where I'm highlighting. It's not really that far. And with this moving more of a westward track, let's take a bigger look at this. Let's take a little bit. What's up? Okay. Hi, Weather Kingdom. Oh, yeah. Hey. How do you know if Bermuda is weak? Because his mic's better that much.
Can I just ask a question, Weather Kingdom?
Yeah.
Is that the eye right here? Is that the center?
I can't. What, are you on the stream? Yeah, that is the eye.
Oh, wow. I can see it pretty good on radar.
Can you send that? We got a spammer.
Did somebody say Pat's account got compromised?
Oh, wow, we already have 53. And what caused... Oh. I already banned him. Messages are hidden. Don't worry. We done that. Can someone ban the spammer, please? Boot him. Good job. Yeah, no problem.
By the way, guys, Erin is already down the track.
Yeah.
Not surprised.
I could also see that with this.
Don't worry. We already had 60 people watching here. This is crazy. This is lovely. All right, let's start taking a look at the icon. I don't want to, but we have to.
No problem.
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
Look at my screen.
Oh, wow.
Oh, let me look. That's the eye opening up. That's a tiny eye.
It's a bot. Wait, he's back? Where is he back? Why is there 2 storms? I've not seen it. Is there a spammer?
Yeah, it's that add-on guy. Edon.
That is a tiny eye, but that's an eye.
Wait, he's back? Where is he back?
Oh, not that one. My bad. Wrong one.
Why is there Is there a spammer?
What is this doing right now? I'm watching this.
That's just chilling there. It's not really doing anything.
Hey, how do I make you guys a mod? Because you guys can help me with the chat. Or can you guys do that yourself?
You click on the name. You click on the name.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Peter on.
No, I typed myself in the chat.
You can make me a mod if you want.
Yeah, but how do I press? It only shows report and block.
Shortwave window shows like this, but I don't know.
Okay, Carlos. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. We are watching here. All right, let's get back into this. So the icon is out.
Look at this.
Oh wow, that's crazy. If you guys have anything, just send it in the Discord. I'm gonna be looking at that too. Just let me know. So icons right here. Let's look at.
Oh wow, it's actually gonna tap into some favorable waters.
So latest icon from last run had a 981 a little bit north. Latest 0Z is a 974 at 21 hours and closer to the islands. That's not surprising with the latest. 972 already, 969 in the next 27 hours by tomorrow night. I think this is going to be a lot more, you guys, I'm afraid. If the strength continues. 964, wow, much more west. A little bit more west. Also, okay, a little bit more west. We're already at a 926 near the Bahamas. Look at that. That is from 933 to 926, also closer to the Bahamas on the latest icon. That's pretty serious stuff. If you guys are new, please like and subscribe. It goes 925. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at pivotal weather. This is going to be very interesting here.
And like I said last night, I think it's a trend. I don't think it's the end of it going west. I think it's going to continue going west.
To be honest, you guys, I don't want to say it, but Icon actually, if trends continue, Icon's actually closer with strength in the future potentially, and track. Just a heads up.
918 millibar at 36 degrees north.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's
Off the coast of basically DC.
DC.
DC?
Yeah, it's the same latitude, roughly the same latitude as DC. 70 west.
So off the Virginia coast, right?
Yeah. Here, I'll send the latest frame to the general chat.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's crazy. 66 hours out. There it is, the storm. How strong does it get?
Wow.
It bottomed out at 908, by the way.
I'm just so sick of Is that the icon?
Yeah, that is the icon. I'll pull up the 908.
Oh my god.
Look at this, you guys.
Right there.
Oh my god, look how close this gets.
908 millibars. Also, wow. This gets dangerously close to the east, to the outer banks of the Carolinas. Wow, look at that. I don't know if it's going to stay that strong, just off the coast of the Northeast as a Cat 5, but let Icon do Icon. That would be multiple days as a Cat 5.
920 yet, 38 north.
That's,
920 at 30. Wow.
I don't know how true that one is.
Yeah, but still, take that with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
I would say just treat that with the salt of the sea.
At least
I mean,
up there.
yeah. Sure.
Okay.
It's
Let's,
an extreme example, but then again, Erin being the extreme, whatchamacallit, extreme role model of it at the moment.
Ironically enough,
Do we have Recon? Is Recon in this yet? Oh,
Would that be, if that verified, would that be the highest Category 5 to the north?
I think Lorenzo.
probably.
Lorenzo's the highest latitude Category 5. Is it?
Let's take a look here. We're gonna look at shortwave. I want you guys to take a look at this west movement. Oh god.
Can I just mention something?
Yeah.
I'm interested in actually this disturbance.
Oh my god.
Does
You guys,
what?
look at the stream.
Look here. We're gonna look at shortwave. I want you guys to take.
Look at
It's almost got a perfectly circular eye.
not just that. It's moving west.
Yeah, it's still moving west. It's almost. What latitude is that?
Wow. That's wow.
It is just about to cross 60 west. And it's been due west almost since 59 west.
But anyway, I think we should really also pay attention to this disturbance, seeing if it does anything. Because if this move dips southeast, it could push the storm. It could push the storm more to sea, or if it goes anywhere else or just leaves, it could pull the storm closer. I think it's too weak of an influence, to be honest with you.
It's
Yeah, I know.
this is very concerning because I want you guys to just take a look at I want you guys to take a look from the beginning. I mean, actually, the latest. Wow, this is crazy. Look at from here when the first eye started developing. This was about here. Okay.
This is very concerning because I want you guys to.
Why do I
By
keep-
the way, did we talk about AF308 got 980 extrapolated?
Yeah,
Mm.
I
Talk
think
about
that
that?
Look at the track. Look at that. Wow. It is moving due west right now. Due west. And it's already south of the hurricane, the National Hurricane Center's forecast. That's something very interesting here with another breaking
And
news.
not very good.
Not at all. Not at all. That is we have
This just went from being a small storm to being a pretty sizable storm.
more than sizable. It was just named this morning. No, it was not. Oh, hurricane. Yeah, yeah. It was just named a hurricane.
Oh,
I was about to say.
Yeah.
It's been named for a while.
yeah. Has done like what? Like two streams.
Once again, let's get up to 170 subscribers. We're gonna start out with that. Let's get to 170, and we're 2 likes away from 20. Let's keep it going.
Let's do this.
Let's get 200. Come on, let's do 200.
Why not? Anything's possible, right? Wow, this is
Not you. I'm just. Oh, is that opening?
what?
Yeah, that's
See that right here?
I don't.
Trying to clear.
What? It's opening.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, right here.
It can't get any.
That's going. That looks like it's. Is it going due west?
It is going due west.
Why does it look like a dragon eye? It looks like it has a face.
breaking news: Air Force Mission 308 is about to about to pass through the eye in about 10 minutes.
Thank
Oh,
you.
that's nice.
We are a little bit behind on here. I think we're gonna look at something else. I have something else. Weather-wise. Oh, come on.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Can I do it?
Oh, Oh, we have 65 people watching. Actually, the highest. We had 65. The highest at one point.
You're a little bit behind on that. I think we're gonna look at
That's really good. Thank you, guys. No lightning at the moment.
There's actually lightning the south, the big blob of convection right here is actually producing some lightning.
Very
It's kind
interesting.
of like when Milton. It's kind of like when Milton had that big blob northeast of the center that produced all.
Hey,
those
can you guys
tornadoes.
send me on the radar?
Yeah, that stuff southwest of the center, that usually that kind of convection that can have a thunderstorm activity. That's normal.
Okay.
Okay.
How is the radar
But-
looking?
The general chat. It's a tweet.
Wow, look at this, you guys. It actually looks like we have shifted south. Wow, this is crazy. From National Hurricane Center, we're already right here. Wow. We already south of the track. And it's moving west. So it actually, if it keeps moving west, we are going to get further and further away. Even in the guidance here, I had a little bit of southwest movement at a time. It was probably a wobble, but
What in the world? What can push it south? That defines
Maybe-
a lot.
It's going west. It's not.
it's going west. It was just a little wobble.
Yeah, you'll see why. Yeah.
I mean, remember, there is a high pressure, right?
Very interesting look of this storm right now.
Oh yeah. By the way, did we mention to?
We have
the
66
stream about?
watching.
There's a high pressure.
Yeah, keep going.
Did we mention to the stream about how the how it 60% the 60% to a 5 or a 5?
60% chance of a Category 5.
Yeah.
We're at 21 likes. Let's get up to 30. We have 66 people watching. This is a new high. Well, gotta go to bed, y'all. Bye. Bye, Michelle. Have a great night. Thank you for always coming to the stream. Really appreciate it.
Why is there no no, I don't want. Hold on, let me check. Oh no, Scope doesn't have it.
You know, are you trying to look for velocity?
Yeah, I'm trying to look for velocity.
You have to actually go to the official radar site. You have to find it on Google. The official radar.
FRLME.
We do have outer bands hitting the islands here. We should also talk about that. We do have some already impacts. Not major impacts, but we do have some rain showers, thunderstorms, and bands. Also, take a look at this eye. Looks like we had another wrapping around, really getting even better organized. Moving west.
Have the icon model yet?
What?
Does Tropical Tidbits have the newest icon model?
Yeah, it's running. GFS, I'm very curious. I mean, I'm not really gonna. I don't know. GFS been delayed on everything.
Why does it keep doing
Here, okay. This, so, LTW, look up Guadalupe weather radar.
Thank you. Which one?
Not the latest.
Not rain viewer. Just scroll down.
Oh, Recon's going in this soon, you guys.
Tail France.
Try that one.
All right, I want you guys to all answer this. How strong do you think this pass is gonna be? How strong of the winds are you think they're gonna find? Also, what do you think the pressure is gonna be in this pass?
Alright, I'll go first. I'm gonna say 95 to 100 knots and a 976.
All right. Anyone else?
I'll go. Basically the same with what Delta has. Maybe like 978 millibars.
978. Okay. Anyone else?
I think it could be around the same as Charles. Yeah.
Yeah, I will go with probably a 975, 974. I can see that, and I can see them finding about 95 to 100 knots. I can honestly see it. As this thing continues to get each pass get better and better organized.
Go with probably a 9.
Oh wow. Ooh.
Yes?
What did I find here?
Wow.
This is going to be an interesting run. Do we have another plane going into this too?
Stand by.
Wow.
Yeah, we have Air Force 307 mission. It looks like it just hasn't taken off yet.
Okay. Okay. This is interesting. So, what's the breaking news, you guys? What do you think is the main major breaking news of tonight that you didn't expect?
60%.
Intensification.
They have 60 for what? How strong?
60% chance of a Category 5.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's big. Track continues to shift west. Yes, that too, but satellite imagery is continuing to go west. So we continue to move farther and farther to the west. Here, let's get an update on weather-wise.
By the way, I'm showing Dapia. If anyone's watching my screen,
Oh, I don't have you on.
seizure warning.
I don't have you, and I don't have you on the
Oh, you
stream.
don't?
No, I would if I could.
Yeah, that's definitely an eye.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
It's trying.
Oh, it's doing it.
Is it going north? Is it
Going northwest now.
What?
It's getting caught with the band. It's kind of like rotating with it a little bit.
Or it could be like that. You know how Wilma, after its peak, it kind of did that circle. It kind of did like. I'm just gonna take a.
I think what's happening is that the band from the north is curving around south, is pushing the low level center up. Just with this
It
momentum.
could be doing that. That's kind of like what Wilma did.
Yeah, something
Right?
like that.
Yep, I see it.
Its band was forcing it north and it wanted to go south.
Yeah,
It could be
still
doing
south
that.
of the track of the guidance, so that's still
Yeah.
something.
It was like.
It's probably because of the band.
It could do. So right now it's kind of going like this. It could be doing like a big circle, and then going due west,
Yeah, I can see that.
like that.
Most likely, and that's a possibility.
So like it's like that.
I want you guys to take a look at true color here. This is a wider view where you can see all of Puerto Rico and this storm. Look how good this storm looks from far. We have very good breathing on all quadrants. A cyclonic flow. Look at all these thunderstorms. Look at the serious clouds coming out of this on all quadrants. I would say maybe a little bit limited on the north side. Yeah?
Is it just me, or are all the malls on Weather Nerds a tad bit more west?
On what, 18Z, Hero?
No, this is... No,
Take a
this
look
is
at
Weather
18Z.
Nerds. This is 18Z,
Look at 12Z now?
12Z.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And that trend
That's a
continues.
bit west. That's a bit west.
Wow.
So 18Z, 0Z. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good west. And look at that. Even one of the malls show it just going through the Bahamian archipelago.
Is GFS running?
Oh my god, I'm seeing a 916 in there. A 935 up here.
Oh, GFS is running. Let's look at the latest positioning. It's going to be very crucial.
Oh my god. I'm even seeing a 925 in here.
Tracks continue to move west. That's the thing. Alright, so GFS is stronger. A little bit more west on the 0Z. 6 hours out. It's a little bit more west. Not good news. As 972. And then actually it's very close. No, it's not actually. Because it shows it's a 980 at 2 a.m. It's already past 980. But it does show it continuing to strengthen overnight. And moving. Yeah, GFS. Actually, I don't know. GFS kind of in the same spot. Nothing. I don't see anything move different.
Did you get a second wave on the last GFS run?
I'm not looking at that right now. We are doing one storm at a time.
Let's just focus on Erin for right now, and then whatever's behind it will come to it when it comes.
Yeah. That'd be the best thing
But
to
I'm
do.
not. But I'm still keeping my eye on that too.
How far west are we talking now? Beach weather. Okay.
Second wave on the last GFS run?
I'm not looking at that right now. We are doing one storm. Okay, we are 6 subscribers away from 370. Let's hit it, you guys. Let's do it. Oh God, GFS. To me, looks like a little bit a nudge to the west and stronger. Actually, let's take a look at the ridge. Let's take a look at the latest. A little bit stronger. Yeah. I could see it going more west, but we'll have to wait and see. Then the GFS. 966 by 2 a.m. on, said the 17th. Yeah, that's going to be way stronger. Sadly, this is bombing out early. We're already at 100 miles an hour. Earlier, we were at 76 people are watching. Wow. You guys are new. Please subscribe and like our highest ever. Let's get up to 30 likes. 83. Wow, we are almost up to 100 watching. This is crazy. If you guys are new, please like and subscribe. This is absolutely amazing tonight. Thank you, guys. We have some.
Discord kicked me out.
Come on, guys. Let's get to 100.
Let's do it.
I'm on, y'all.
I know we can.
83. Wow, we are almost.
We're at 365 subscribers. We're 5 away from 370. That's awesome. All right, let's keep going here. This is that satellite imagery. Moving west as of right now. A little nudge to the north. That's because of a convecting band, and that could easily get dragged a bit more. What's one thing I want to ask you guys? Do you guys think this is possible? When we get these strong bands that wrap around the core, do you think that actually could make wobbles with the eye to move a little bit north and south by chance?
I mean, I don't know how to answer that. I'm not really a weather. I'm not that good.
I would say, like what we were seeing with Erin when it was.
Why is Recon not updated? Recon's taking forever.
Yeah, I wonder that too. I'm keeping my eye on that. When it pops up, I'll let you know.
All right, thank you.
But I would say, with that big burst of convection to the south of Erin, I would say that is probably going to be dying off within the next couple hours as Erin becomes way more organized and the core develops even further. But I would say at the moment, it is delaying its northwest movement into a more west of than north track, according to the drops on fixes.
Still south here. Whew. Very interesting. What's your guys' latest on satellite? What do you guys see on satellite? Ooh, someone sent something in chat. Ooh, the intensity. Yep, that's huge.
Two models are at category 5.
And not just a low 5 either.
Really? How high?
Oh, wait, you guys. I need to charge my phone and it died. Ah, crap. Okay, you guys. We're gonna have to... My phone just died. I have it charging. I am sorry about that if you guys were just on Discord. Okay, it's already charging. Give it a little bit, but let's keep going here. Wow. It is definitely strengthening rapidly. Rapid intensification. We're going to be here. We have another plane going out. We're going to be here for quite a few hours here. Tracking the storm. Also, taking a look at the new GFS. And the Canadian, why not? And the ensembles, why not? Just take a look at all track movements. I'm interested on Recon. Okay, GFS is a little bit more south on this run when it does that turn. It does the turn a little bit later and a little bit westward. And stronger storm. Closer to the Bahamas, yes. Closer to the Bahamas. The trend continues even on the GFS. That's very big. Recon's still not out. I'm really interested. Could we see major hurricane force? I don't know. I'm going to be honest. Anything can happen at this point. This is a really good... The eye is actually clearing right now. We got more and more hot towers. Yep, the storm's already moving back west. Looks like if we get... What I'm seeing on these hot towers also, when we get a massive blow-up of convection, it's actually having little wobbles within this storm, and that's very important. Because right now we have an easterly... Very interesting. This is a... This is trying to clear out, you guys. Look at that. That is seriously trying to clear out. That's something significant. Okay, one moment. Alright, interesting. Latest eye here. Look at that. Blow up right there. That's very interesting. Recon, are you out? Wow, Recon is like frozen here on tropical tivots. GFS, what are you on here? Yeah, a lot closer and stronger to the Bahamas. Not surprising with the GFS. It's been honestly delayed with all the trending, so not surprising for me. We take a look at the MLS precip here. Yeah, look at that. High pressure is even stronger and yeah, further away from that. That's going to be interesting. Let's take a look at 6Z. Let's just see. 18Z. My bad. We are not in the morning. Look at that. It had it going pretty close. And then moving out. We're going to have to see. We could be seeing another massive shift closer to the coast here. On the 0Z. North Carolina, you are not out of the cone, in my opinion. Yeah, look at that. Look at that track. We've continued a pretty dramatic westward track on. Look at that. Wow. This could actually really get close to the coast on this run of the GFS. So, trends continue. Not good trends at all. We are seriously not good trends. The icon. Let's take a look at the icon at this point even further. And it had it going like this. I mean, this is... And then it has it quickly moving out. But wow. That is a Category 5. Very close for comfort. Heading right for the Carolinas. We're going to have to keep an eye on that. Especially to tomorrow. I told you. Tracks can change. And... clearly, GFS has shifted pretty dramatically closer to the coast on the latest GFS. Currently, my phone is charging. If you guys are in the Discord, I'm sorry. I will be back on in just a little bit. Stronger also. Probably showing 920s this run. Still no Recon. Recon, like, got lost or something. Let's... Any update here? Yeah, I'm gonna need a drink. We're waiting on the Recon. We're also taking a look at the satellite. Things just keep looking worse on satellite. Every single time I look at it, looks more and more like a major. Yeah, look at that. Eye is trying to clear out. Massive convection blow-ups on the eastern side. That's actually going to help to push the eye further back to the west again. Look at that storm. Intensifying rapidly right now. Very interesting. What is this going to look like tomorrow morning, you guys? I do not even know. I don't even want to know at this point. Look at the latest. Wow. Look at the latest GFS. We're at a category strong 4, almost cat 5. This is just crazy. I'm seriously getting concerned for this. Because it is definitely further to the west. On the GFS. Wow. Look at the high pressure also. Wow. That actually is crazy. Because what happens here is you get a flow that's coming out of like this right now. But now you got a high pressure to the north, more on the north. And what high pressures do, they go the opposite way. So now you're getting pushed this way. Look at that. You got now steering flow. This is weaker. This is continuing to move this way. High pressure's there. This could do something like this where it gets sham. That's concerning on the latest GFS. Yeah, look at that. 935. Last run of this run closer to the coast. Stronger ridge. Yup. Concerning. Much stronger also. Because if we take a look at, in the next 84 hours, we took a look at the 18Z. It had 946, and then it strengthened 939, 935, 936. Wow. And then it actually had it starting to go north. Right there. So we'll see what is the new 0Z. Regardless of whatever, it's stronger and further to the west. Is Recon out? I don't even know anymore. Recon is... I don't know what happened to Recon. Let's check on my phone quickly. I'm going to try and get back live here. One moment. Okay, we're gonna join back. Hey, you guys. Hello? I am back.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my phone died. I looked at it and I said 1%. And I said, damn it, and then it died. That's why you guys should charge your phone. It's very crucial.
Yeah.
Anything has happened for you guys?
The eye was coming into view on this.
And the icon is
Right here.
Oh yeah, the Hurricane Hunters had definitely issues. There's no data supposedly between the last 6 and the last 10 minutes.
So are you...
Starting to worry about them legitimately.
So it looks like they may have hit the center, but we got no data.
By the way, check this out. Oh, there's lightning.
Yeah, I heard. We're starting to see lightning now. That's not good.
Yeah.
Lightning does not mean good at all, you guys.
Yeah. Look at the eye. Look at the eye.
I know. So, did it come through, or did it come through with no data? Yep.
It's bigger.
Yeah, I heard. We're starting to
Yep, the data got messed up. Something happened.
lightning does not mean good at all, you guys.
That stinks, you guys. We don't have any. Oh, they might have dropped a drop zone though.
Did it come through, or
Oh, they did?
did it
No, I'm saying
They
maybe.
might have.
They might have. We'll have to just wait and see.
So we got no flight level wind data, no SFMRs.
Yeah. Have you guys seen the new GFS further west?
Nope.
I have not.
Yep.
By the way, convection is pulling it west.
Yep. That's what I was saying before.
Or pushing.
Wow, GFS now shows a 931 millibar. So pretty much all models are now showing a, I don't want to say it, but I think we should say it.
A high end 4.
Or that. Yeah. High end 4. Very high end 4. We'll
I'd
go with
say
that.
155. 155 at most.
High end 4 is better than a high end 5.
I still think Cat 5 is on the table. Easily. Easy. Cat 5.
Yeah, I can't lie right now.
Look at the core. Look at this core. Here's microwave.
Oh, where? Can you send
Look at
that?
my screen.
I'm not looking at it. Let me look.
Oh.
Wait 1 second. Let's look at this. Oh.
What happened? Something happened?
What?
I'm not looking at it.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna send this into chat. Oh, no, I don't want to put the link in.
One moment. Oh. Yup.
Are you just taking your phone and putting it up to the computer and letting it catch the audio through YouTube?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey,
I
check
don't
this out.
Working better for you. It seems like it would work better for you.
Yeah, for now. Oh, eye is clearing out. And moving west. Wow. We can start seeing more of the islands.
By the way, did you see what I sent in
Yeah, pretty much.
BC General?
Was it the,
That's the microwave.
Oh, I is clear.
Wait, my phone's about to die again. Wait, I forgot to,
Bruh.
wait.
Oh,
Oh, come on. I
bruh.
can't find it out.
Hey, look at the tweet I sent you guys. In general.
I don't even know. Oh, ouch.
What do you think of the microwave, though?
The rate of rapid intensification on iPad.
Okay, I saved it. Alright. This is interesting. You guys can talk for a second. I need to go do something.
Oh, am I reading that right?
What?
Erin began rapid intensification at 65 knots this afternoon. It is now 85 knots. And it's expected to be 125 knots in less than 12 hours.
So what are we trying to say?
By the way, Weather Kingdom, did you see what I sent in chat? Weather Kingdom, you there? Oh, that's a lightning strike in the eye. That's bad.
Where? Wait, what?
Look at my stream.
taking forever to load.
The eye.
Yep, that's lightning strikes in the eye. Yep.
Yeah. By the way, you saw what I sent in the VC chat?
Interesting.
Yeah, that microwave and everything.
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie, did you see what I... Oh, yeah, you did. Never mind.
What did you send?
Me?
Yeah, Delta.
Oh, I sent the rapid intensification.
Okay, I'll show that in the stream in just a moment.
Well, let me get the... Oh, it's somebody else's tweet. So
Oh.
if I could just give you the image.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, yeah. Wait, so let me read this correctly. Alright, the rate of rapid intensification on now Category 2 hurricane is already and projected to continue reaching record maximum RI rates. That is crazy. Erin began rapid intensification at 65 knots this afternoon. It is now 85 knots and expected to be at 125 knots in less than 12 hours from now. It could even be more.
They think it's going to break records.
It's already breaking records.
Already breaking records. Oh, we got radar. Lightning in the eye wall also.
That's what I said.
Remember Milton? Milton had a full-on ring of lightning, and look how strong Milton got. I don't think we had lightning before.
Also, it had purple.
That's going to be next, you guys.
Surrounding the.
I'm afraid that's going to be next.
There is a
weather.
71% chance of a 30-knot and 24-hour increase.
Nuts.
Eye is continuing to clear. Massive banding right near the core, and looks like this is moving west. Thanks to that convection. So we are definitely having a bit of wobbles, but majority of the movement is a west, west, northwest. That's how I will put it.
Back yet?
Look at that. This is crazy of a storm.
Has Recon gotten back yet?
Yeah, but the data's all messed up. It's not
They
right.
probably got thrown around. And
Wait. They did actually. We found. Oh wait, some data came in, but I don't trust it. Oh, we do have a 19. We have drops on 19, and that's the drops on 20. 976. 976
Okay.
on
And
tropical.
that goes along with the updated Dvorak.
Also,
So,
completely west. Completely west.
What's the drops on latitude?
Drops on is 19.5 north, 15.8 west.
The last drops on was 19.4.
So we're at 19.5.
You've only gone up a tenth of a degree in the last 3.5, 4 hours.
So west, pretty much west.
Pretty much west.
So why are they saying it's going west northwest when it's been going west for the last 3 hours?
I don't know. I think maybe that's because that's just how it was at the advisory.
I guess it's not.
That means
I
the
don't
cone
agree.
doesn't it?
They are done with that recon also.
By the way, Dvorak is a 4.6.
When is the
and
next
it's the
recon,
speed
if
of a
I can ask?
pinhole eye.
When is the next recon?
What?
Wait, what?
Wait. Pinhole?
On the general chat. VC.
Wow. Can we keep sending radar images, please? I really want to find a radar for this. Oh my god, the eye, you guys, is rapidly clearing out now. We are clearing out with the pinhole.
Oh, yep, here we go.
And that pink is... Wow, we are really moving west right now.
Do you think you could go Cat 3?
It actually might be doing your loop, you might said. You heard it? That convection is actually making it go a little bit back to the south from it going back to the north.
How do you know if it's looping besides jogging?
We have to look at that.
That's a wobble.
Oh, it wobbled?
Oh, wow, that is crazy. Oh, GFS, let's finish the run up. Oh, Lord. Okay.
Okay, we got data from that pass. It was just delayed.
Oh, radar.
Delayed.
Oh, wow. Look at the radar. It's moving west. Let's actually see that little jog to the south a little bit on the last frame of the radar.
Let me go to a good...
Can you send me the link of that? Or what's that in? Can I use weather-wise?
This is weather-wise.
It is? Where? What radar do I use? Let's look at this.
It's the Guadalupe.
Oh, we're about to start taking... Oh, yup. Okay, this is the center, you guys. We actually have radar data. This is something else we're adding to the stream. Why not? We're adding out radar.
On reported 975.
So we are at 9. Oh wow! Look at the track, you guys. The latest eye movement. It is right here, actually pretty south of the latest Recon here. This is gonna be new and all lovely. Look at that.
I could see this being for midday tomorrow. I'm just throwing that out there. Maybe a mid-end 4 if this is actually rapidly intensifying.
Yeah.
I mean, what's stopping this thing?
Nothing.
Besides the time bit of shear.
Look at the radar eye. Wow. It is almost at the end of the cone already. If it keeps going west. Wow. We are having some banding features regardless. Let's look at the radar and some of these islands here. Look at all these rain bands. Can I look at another radar that will help?
This is the only closest.
Okay. So, we do have some showers and thunderstorms passing through these islands. Strong surf, probably gusty wind gusts. You can already just it's when you guys probably go outside of these islands, you guys can probably just look in the distance and know there's a hurricane not too far from you, and you guys can probably
You can see the clouds.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching radar. It's really intense. You see that? Is Delta in here still? Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
How do you feel about the radar that I am showing?
Oh yeah, that's going like a little bit northwards, but mostly west.
Mostly, it's way off from the line of the National Hurricane Center now.
Yeah.
Well, let's just keep tabs on it. If it continues this movement for another hour or so, then it may not be a wobble.
Yeah, this ain't no wobble. This is a move to the west.
I don't trust this storm.
I don't know. I don't trust it either. It has a mind of its own, I feel.
What's driving this thing? What's influencing? Is it?
It's
besides
the
ridge?
high to the.
Anything?
It's the ridge to the north. The ridge to the north, and each of the GFS runs keep getting stronger, and a lot of the model runs.
The most terrifying thing is if it gets closer to the ridge, it could speed it up. Which could, if it speeds up, it won't be able to turn northwards in time.
That's something for tomorrow to keep an eye on. If this thing is still, if this thing is over Puerto Rico and moving west still, yeah, we'll have to keep concerns on this.
Okay, I just saw this. The drops on, the latest drops on, it was at 0347Z, and that showed 970. They marked it as 976. The last drops on was at 0211Z, and that was 980. So 4 millibars in the last hour.
If it hits Puerto Rico, if it actually makes a direct impact to Puerto Rico, it's going to weaken the storm tremendously.
I mean,
Wait, what?
yeah.
I said if it hits Puerto Rico, it's going to weaken the storm tremendously if it makes a direct impact.
It is not going to hit Puerto Rico. It is too far to the north already.
Oh, I thought somebody else suggested it was going to hit Puerto Rico. I was just saying if it does, it would weaken it.
Yeah, no. I'm looking at some future radars, and they have this pretty much moving just due west.
By the way, is there any updates on this delta? The
No, not
60%? When's the update?
If you guys are new, like and subscribe and share this with your friends and family.
5 a.m. I would say.
Also,
Okay. I don't think this is just. I think this is on the verge of explosive.
I think it kind of met the criteria already. A 4 millibar
Of
drop in 3 hours.
Yeah. Oh, 4 millibars in 3 hours?
In an hour.
in an hour.
Oh, in hour. That's fast.
Jessica is not gonna hit Puerto Rico.
Look at that burst on the east side. It is just
It's
blowing up, and that's where the lightning is, by the way.
also it's gonna help to keep the storm moving west.
The eye is trying to form. How big is the eye right now? Just curious.
Let me see if there was a vortex data. National Hurricane Center.
Look at these islands, very close to them. That's very important. What else should we look at here? Look at the GFS going. Wow.
OTW, what is your windy infrared satellite color table?
Who, me? No, not me.
No,
I'm talking
it just
LCW.
glitched. It just glitched.
I mean, what's the color gradient? It's cool.
Holy crap! Guys,
Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
Thank you.
Borat
Yeah.
updated. It's a 4.6, which is not the thing, but the raw T is almost a 6.
Wow. That's
What?
what's 6 now? What would that make it?
Oh man, let me think.
What would that make it?
I'll send
Let me
it
think.
to the group chat just so you guys can have fun with it.
Give me a. Come get a sub screen share for a sec.
Wouldn't that be? Wouldn't that?
I'm gonna look it up.
That's like a category 2, right?
No,
Or a low on 3.
Wait, who wanted it?
That's a low on 3, actually.
By the way, the Canadian has shifted.
I hope that's wrong.
What?
Alright, I looked up the Dvorak current intensity chart, and a 4.5 is 77 knots. This 5.9, I hate to say this, by the way, this is 115 knots.
Whoa.
Wow.
That has to be wrong.
Yeah, just for now.
That's
What's 150 knots?
Hey, did Recon leave yet?
32 miles an hour.
Did Recon leave yet?
I think they might have. Nope, they're gonna think they're gonna go for another pass.
They are. What about the other Recon? I thought there was another one behind this. Yeah, I think they're gonna try and go for another pass.
I think maybe the other Recon had issues and it never took off because it's not on here anymore.
That means we won't have Recon until the morning again, once this is done. That stinks. What do you guys think by 8 a.m. tomorrow the strength will be on this?
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy Cat
I
3.
think. No.
It might
I wouldn't
already
say
be a Cat
easy.
3 right now.
Yeah, I think it could be. Wait. I think it could. Hear me out. I think it could be a low end 4.
You think it's a Cat 4 now?
I
No. Tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow morning.
Yeah, like at the 8 a.m.
0Z GEFS guidance have shifted west so far in 18 hours. That's going to be interesting because if we take a look at 6Z, 18Z, my bad.
If you actually look, what was that? What was that last one before that? Okay, so that's 2 hours. Alright, never mind, that makes sense. Actually, wait. The separation between on the Recon 7, the 982, it happened at 0Z. The next pass, the 980, happened at 2Z. And the latest one, which was a 4 millibar drop instead of a 2 between the first and second, happened at 3Z. 350.
Hey, I got. By the way, can I just mention something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at my stream real quick. Is it just me, or are these two connecting with each other?
I can't see anything.
Oh.
Oh, I can now.
Like I said, I think that large blob to the southwest is going to start fading.
And get absorbed into this?
I think it's going to fade away, and then you're going to have new bands form off the core.
Okay. It looks like that's actually what it's trying to do right now, right here. You see?
That
would
thing
be-
is just spinning like crazy. Yes, Charlie.
Yeah.
The 6.0 is a Cat 4.
That was
Wait,
way off.
Look at this band right here.
Very nighty.
That's a strong anticyclone. Well, yeah, strong anticyclonic band. This storm is healthy.
Very healthy. And we got
It's
all
crazy,
night of strengthening and probably all day tomorrow and all night tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Nope.
By the way,
Yeah.
isn't it crazy how it went from, like a spider looking storm to like a nothing storm to this
It is.
in just like a couple of days? Think about that.
61 people watching.
The eye temperature is negative 33 degrees Celsius.
I think it is on the Dvorak.
No, I just found the satellite. I zoomed over it.
On the Dvorak, its cloud region is minus 67, and the center is minus 18.
Oh.
If you guys are
This was
new,
yesterday.
subscribe and like. We are 3 away. But on satellite, wow. Wow.
By the way, this is literally yesterday. right here.
Oh, look at the latest
Now
radar
that's
here.
too.
I got latest radar, and yeah, look at that.
You subscribe and like.
Yeah.
We are 3 away.
It's an entirely different
Satellite. Wow.
system.
I wouldn't be surprised if it shifts to more westwards and becomes a 5. I think the new track could be like this.
Let me see what you're saying. Hold on.
That's what I think the new track could be like.
Let's see. I'm trying to get the screen up. Where's the track? Oh,
This
way over
red
there.
line.
Yeah.
This is what I think it could do.
Well,
Or
shoot.
it could go closer.
Oh, I don't see all that happening, but that would be crazy.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be the middle of in between those two lines you put. Not those two. The first one you put, the one that was really far west. I think it's going to be somewhere in the middle.
Yeah, this system
Oh, so like
not
this?
having any issues with
Yeah, like right
line
there.
in the eye wall anymore. The southwest eye wall has winds of over 80 knots at about 960, 970 millibars up.
969 millibars? Did I hear that right?
Altitude.
Oh, altitude. Okay. I
The
was like,
center might be
already?
969, but
We're
maybe-
still moving west right now on the satellite. Even a little bit
This is
south.
very bad.
Not good.
This is very bad.
We are watching radar also. This is getting further and further. It's definitely to the south. It's definitely on the south of the consents so far.
Mm-hmm.
You think it's moving south?
No. I said
it's
south
on
of
the
them.
south of the guidance.
Oh, okay.
It's moving more like westward right now.
Well, that's a
You
big
guys,
deal
we
this time.
forgot about something. What about the hurricane models? Are they going to be running soon?
Oh yeah, we did forget about the hurricane models.
Let me go look. And let's look. Oh, they're not even running yet.
No,
How's Recon? Let's look at Recon. And they're going to be a little while.
no, there's no recon.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, not yet.
It's going to be an interesting.
Yeah, this is gonna be very interesting.
What else models can we? Oh, we're looking at the GFS ensembles. They're already more west.
Very interesting.
What else models? We're looking at the GFS.
This is very bad.
Yeah.
You think it's bad?
What?
I live in Eastern Carolina.
Bro, the Turks and Caicos must be sweating right
They are
now.
so dudes.
Right?
The
See,
Turk.
this is what I mean. When we were on Pat's stream like a couple days ago, I said this system would go into hibernation. What did it do? It dropped down to almost no convection whatsoever, and then within like 2 days of that, you have this.
It's crazy how
Saved
quickly.
It saved all of its convection.
LTW, you're talking about like area flooding. Look at Bermuda. It's on the edge of the cone.
Yeah. I mean, even so, I would say Florida should also pay close attention, even though it may not impact. We could still get some of the winds.
Look at that movement, you guys.
If Florida gets some of the winds, that means it has moved way west.
Yeah.
By the way,
I feel like-
Ken, don't go on the like later because those waves are gonna be crazy.
The Bahamas must be sweating as well. Wait,
I live less than 60 seconds from the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow.
oh wow, look how small that eye is.
But it's moving west.
That makes sense because remember that radar is scanning. They're a bit more higher up into the atmosphere, so you're not really looking at surface level.
So like, how do I look at tilt?
Well, tilt it's already 0 degrees is already you're already looking pretty high. Tilt will just make it look higher.
The only thing I got going for me is I got about 10 acres of woods in between me and the water. There's about 10 acres of woods.
And you should be good. Just when the hurricane parallels the coast, but like more east, just don't go on the beach. Don't be in the waters.
Oh no.
Unless you're a Florida man.
Okay. Yeah, to the point.
Well, we all know what happens with the hurricane parties. You grab the necessary supplies, and then you drink all the supplies before the storm even gets there.
Yep.
Yeah. Well,
So-
yeah.
So you're sobering up when the hurricane comes.
Let's see.
No one's gonna be able to make a beer run in a Category 5.
I'm pretty sure someone is gonna try.
Yeah, someone's good.
They always try. They have to.
All right, Recon is turned for another pass at the eye.
Okay, good.
It's probably about 20 minutes away.
What I should say is you can't get Uber Eats to deliver beer in a Category 5.
I don't know, if you find like that that small town that has like that one Uber driver and it's just like old Joe, I'm pretty sure he would. Especially if you invite him.
It's same day Amazon Prime. That's guaranteed. Category 5 or not.
If you guarantee a tip of like $700.
No, you just tell him to come on into the bunker and we'll just enjoy it with him.
We continue a west movement, you guys, even though it's still in the cone.
This is very bad.
We are pretty much due west from the last National Hurricane Center's start to now. We are west, and we are starting to see more and more lightning strikes in the eye wall.
If
This is
just
bad.
goes
Because if
due
this,
west,
wow, that will really shift the count.
I'm
Now,
gonna
that would
predict.
really shift.
I'm gonna predict a Category 3 in North Carolina. I'm not getting down with the Category 5. I don't know if I believe that.
This is what happens if it goes like what? Well, it looks like what it's doing, but you know what? Never mind.
Wow, that will really...
I just don't believe a Category 5 is gonna hit North Carolina.
It could literally do this.
Let me see.
Recon.
Where's the arrow ending?
Look at it.
Right here.
Recon's already going back into this. This is about to be interesting. What's
I know that, but what's above the arrow?
I'm gonna go with
Just,
970. I can see 969 even. Let me just look at the satellite.
That's exactly the arrow you just put is exactly about what I think is gonna happen.
Like, I don't want to like overhype it, but at this point, rapid intensification can be going on for the next, I don't know how long.
24 hours.
could this be potentially explosive?
We're actually seeing. Look, can you guys look at satellite actually? Look at the eye. It's moving south a little bit on the satellite.
I
Getting-
think that's just satellite manipulation.
Yeah. But it's
With satellite manipulation. Never heard of that.
It kind
yeah.
of makes it look like it might be in a different direction, but it really isn't.
I don't think so. It just shows it going south. But it's an
I haven't asked this question yet, but when would it be at North Carolina's coast? How many days out is it?
The hurricane. Yeah.
You're kind of glitching.
I am.
You were.
I said, how many days out is the hurricane before it gets to the North Carolina coast? How many days out is it?
So okay. So the arrival time would be around like Tuesday 8 p.m. if it gets that far west.
Well, it's going to get off the coast if nothing else, so the arrival time should be around the same, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the graphic in the chat.
Surprised they haven't shifted the cone.
I'm
Do you think
surprised
there'll be
also.
Do you think there'll be like an emergency report?
If they shift that cone, people are going to freak the fuck out. That's why they're not.
I do have some information. I'm also in another weather chat. We are. They say next recon doesn't take off for 2 hours, so there's going to be a 3-hour gap of center passes. And the TEALS 76 has probably another hour in the storm.
I don't see them shift because they're scared it's going to freak people out.
Well, doesn't it get the word out as well?
Yeah.
Well, they should get the word out. I think they won't do it.
And in the chat, in like the general voice chat, I spent the arrival time.
Let me look.
Ooh, that's.
Let's get up to
creepy.
40 likes and let's get to 370 subscribers. We are crushing it here. You guys are watching live radar, live satellite, and live reactions on this hurricane, Erin. Erin's being Erin. That is for sure.
Let's get up to.
I feel like Erin kind of wanted to do an Eric.
Who's Eric?
Eric, the storm in the Eastern Pacific, the thing that got to a 4 upon landfall.
Oh, I remember. Yeah.
It had like a small eye.
For Eric vividly.
I remember Eric.
Why is Invest 98 out still on the map?
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Over land.
I know.
Wow,
They just want to give it its last, little bit of hope. When there is no hope left.
Why is it showing Erin? I don't want Erin. I want Eric.
Look at that saddle. Look at the radar here. Just continuing to move west. That's the general consensus.
Look, so you don't.
I feel like it should go to bed so I could get up for the 8 o'clock advisory.
Trust me, I'm going to be up probably. I'm not going to do a stream at 6 in the morning. I'm probably going to do a stream around 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I think I should go to bed so I can get up in the morning.
Because to be. Oh, whoa. Hold the phone.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Oh.
Nope.
Those three look like they moved a lot farther west.
What, the ensembles?
Yeah, the ensembles you're looking at on your stream.
Yeah, they did move a little bit west on the 0Z.
14 miles, actually. Well, according to Zoom Earth.
I would be worried if the eye goes outside the cone.
Oh, yeah.
Is, I think, going
But right now,
outside
it's,
the cone
since
right
it's
now.
kind of in the cone still, I think it's not going to shift too much farther west.
We'll have to see. We are
How
keeping
long
an
are we
eye
gonna
on
be
that.
streaming for? How long are we
To
gonna
be honest, I don't know.
I probably got about another 40 minutes left in me before I have to leave.
Where's Weather Nerds? Come on.
Well, it depends on. Tell me what models are coming out in the next period of time.
This will have to go west for the next. Like,
Hurricane hunters are about to punch the core.
oh, all right. We're about to have new Recon. Let's hope it actually works.
This is a southeast to, I think, northwest.
Ooh. Is Northwest usually the strongest, right?
I think it's just the north side in general is the strongest right now.
Looks like to me the track looks continuous west. Let's look at a satellite here. I haven't looked at it in a hot minute. How are we doing on the stream? Is everything going good? I'm pretty sure we are. We are one away now from
Looks like to me
370, and then
the track looks
yeah.
Oh my god, this. Okay, no.
Let's look at a satellite here. I don't
Oh, I see. Should I show that on the stream or not yet?
Question.
Should I show that?
What?
It's something to watch. The GF has been consistent on it.
Oh yeah,
Don't
this.
show it.
That second wave. Should I Delta or no?
I would just leave that second wave alone for now. I think it's just too far out.
Yeah.
Do you guys see the satellite here? What is going on?
Talking about it. If there was something else to talk about, we'd be talking about it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What else is
Yeah,
there?
Look
I
at-
agree with you, man.
I have a question. Do you see the satellite? What's going on in satellite?
Let's see. It looks like the eye's trying to close back up. See?
No, I feel like I don't know.
I think that band is going to wrap back around and it's going to be a solid period. Or it could be contracted.
We have hit 370 subscribers. That's a new milestone. That's awesome. Thank you for everyone for subscribing and liking. Very appreciated on that. We are going to be streaming. I would say I'll be streaming for at least another hour. It's trying
I think
to.
there's like very little share right now.
Just to let you know, I have like 9,000 subscribers and less than 400 watch hours. Watch hours are much harder to get than subscribers.
Oh, I know.
I'm curious what Nam thinks of this thing. It's probably
That
absurd.
GFS is crazy on the. Oh my god. Everybody's already going crazy about it.
Oh, the second wave.
Yeah. That's a little worrying.
Fellas,
Also,
one at a time.
I know,
One at
but
a time.
it's too far out.
Not too far. Oh, H-Mon.
It's coming out.
H-Mon's running.
He's another Cat 5. That's why people are talking.
Okay.
968.
Wait, let's
they
look
have
at
right now.
radar here. It's still on the southern side of the track. We'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, it's continuing to do west.
Yeah. I really wonder what is going to happen with Recon here. They better not miss the center. I'm going to be mad if they do.
Oh, I need to do composite. Okay.
Oh my.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm just pretty tired, you know? This storm has done a million things, I feel like, in the last 5 days.
Yeah, I could see this being a major tomorrow morning.
I have a feeling it might be a major now.
Yeah, it's a major now. I'm gonna
No,
say it
not
is.
yet. Not yet.
The structure is getting better by the frame.
Really?
Look on the satellite.
I am, but it looks like...
What is that eye?
What? Oh my...
Look at this.
Look at all that lightning.
What lightning? Oh yeah, on the radar. Whether or not .nerds have that too.
Any update on the T scale?
I don't know.
Let me check Dvorak.
Let me check. ADT. Boom, boom, boom.
We are doing actually really good.
I don't think it changed.
What do you think the T scale is?
It's still like 6, the final T.
That is weather-wise. It's a free website. It's a really awesome app we use now. Really
it's also
good.
free.
Yeah, also free, big time.
I think they're gonna find support for 110.
Really?
Knots or miles?
Miles an hour.
So they're just gonna go below major.
For the 2 o'clock. Yeah.
I don't think it will.
I think they're just gonna go major. I think they're just gonna hit it right there.
When would be the next advisory?
2 in the morning.
Bad news. They missed the eye.
I knew it.
I don't think they hit it.
No, they're going. Oh, wait.
I
Wait.
still haven't gotten data yet. On
Right here.
That.
I think they're still going for it. I don't know.
They haven't gotten the eye yet.
And they're not in the eye yet.
No, they're not gonna miss it.
I knew it was doing that. You see how it's kind of circulating?
Oh yeah, a little bit of that loop. That's because of the convection. But on radar, it doesn't show that. It just shows a consistent west movement. So
Right. I also mentioned that when I talked about
that eye looks like it's shrinking, you guys. What is going on with the eye? Yeah, it looks like the eye might close.
Is it doing an? No, it's not doing an ER.
No, this is just the eye clearing process. This is.
It's part of it.
Oh, this is normal. It's normal.
Yeah, let me see double win maxes. There's no eye wall replacement cycle.
It's too. I don't. It might. Be
Also, we'll be able to tell on radar, and it's not. I don't see any at all.
And on the last go through with the last pass, I see no evidence of an eye wall replacement cycle anytime soon.
Oh, a new frame came in. Let's look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's bigger. Actually, the eye grew, but that's because it's getting more and more in frame. That's pretty crazy.
How big would you say the eye is right now?
More
I would
light.
say about 12, 13 miles.
Right now, the eye, by measuring, is in and around. Let's see here. That's around just less than 10 miles as of 4 minutes ago.
So, 10 home.
Yep.
I mean, yeah, it is wobbling a little bit, you guys also. That's, Is it going to get any closer to the PR? Do you want to answer that?
Yeah, I'll text him in chat.
Alright. I mean, yeah, it is wobbling a little bit. Oopsies. Didn't mean that. Is David live also?
Yeah, he's done Microsoft Flight Simulator.
Oh, come on, David. Why is he doing that?
Because he's
Doesn't
flying
really tell.
to Erin right now.
Yeah.
That's actually probably pretty cool.
Maybe he's the one messing up the Recon data.
Yup. Let's look at the latest GEFS. It's 78 hours out. Let's look at the guidance. 18Z. Can't really tell now. Not really. Same thing, pretty much. We are feeling the tiredness. Weather crew.
I'm just nervous for what this
That
hurricane
guidance
season has to offer. Go on.
The guy
95. We are 5 views away from 100. Might be the first.
Go on, Ken.
The guidance he's showing on the stream looks like it's went west.
Wow, that's crazy.
Is it 84?
Views away from 100.
Honestly, if I were in the Dominican Republic,
Who just joined?
Puerto Rico, Turks and Caicos, Cuba, I meant Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, the DR, and Puerto Rico, I would watch this storm intently.
I would say if you have not gone through your hurricane preparation plan, which you should have considering it's hurricane season, now would be a time to restock on any last minute essentials.
I'm looking at you, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, and DR.
Just to turn it off. I think
Let's see if we got any Tail Doppler Radar stuff. I'm gonna check right now.
Yeah, very interesting information that's being taken here.
Is it just me, or is the eye getting a little bit more circular?
I'll look in one moment. On what, radar or satellite?
radar.
radar.
Okay. Let me keep looking at satellite also. Who just joined?
Hello.
Oh, is that Kent?
Hey, plus.
No, it's not me.
Who is it?
It's plus.
Oh, hey, Plus.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Are you good? What's your thoughts on this storm? What's your thoughts? Do you...
Yeah, it could probably be potentially explosively intensifying.
Yeah.
Not trying to like fear anyone or make anyone scared, but I definitely think it's explosively intensifying.
Yeah, I agree.
I think, yeah, I also agree. I think Aura has been wave reached. I think it's now potentially going EI.
Yeah, I is a little bit more circle. Yeah, circle.
Circular.
Yep, circular. Yep. Don't mind that. Alright, let's look at the radar here. A little bit more of a westward jog. It is getting so close. It is trying to get out of that cone, but either way, it's a lot more south and west. That's
It's gonna get out the cone.
we'll have to wait and see.
Are they gonna update the cone if it does?
No.
No, they do that in the 5 a.m. advisory. Lightning has been detected. Interesting. I wish I had a map for that. I would like... Oh, wow. Yeah, it's becoming more circle.
Alright, I'm going to bed.
Who is that? Ken?
Can't.
Good night.
Okay.
You know, go back to the radar.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I am on the radar right now.
Hold on. Am I looking?
I think you're looking at. I think you're looking
I'm
at
looking
mine.
at. Yeah, I'm looking at yours.
Here, right here. I got it.
I am looking for, dare I say it, mesos. I don't see any evidence of them yet.
That's good.
That's really freaking good.
What does that mean? If there is, it could jog south.
No, mesovortices in the eye.
Yeah, what would that do?
That would signify an extremely strong hurricane. You usually don't only get those until you're like a 4 or a 5.
That's good.
Oh. Looks like a new skin. Oh, wow, that's circle. That's a circle.
And moving west. Oh, wow. Looking like we are getting closer and closer actually out of the cone here. We are probably another 30 minutes away from being on the line of the furthest to the west. I mean, right now we are going due west. Definitely in the last few frames, we have been gaining that structure in the eye wall on radar. We are really seeing this get into view now. Look at that. We are all the way here, you guys. The low level, this should be all the way up here. We are definitely south. That's just more crazy. I'm looking forward for the morning. But I know I need at least...
I am not, but I also am at the same time.
Yeah.
Same. Well, I mean, I have some stuff that I have to do, so that sucks.
In the morning?
Yeah.
More crazy.
Delta.
Yeah.
there are
Oh, Recon, we forgot about that.
vortex.
You guys, we forgot about Recon. What's going on in
There
Recon?
are like there.
Oh, Recon came in. Ah.
Because vortex is in the eye. I think it's different, but I'm sending the link in the chat.
The winds are not stronger.
Really?
No, but
Yeah.
the westward shift continues.
There's
But the thing-
plateau.
The strongest part of the hurricane, though.
I wouldn't wait for the pressure. If it's still going down, it's probably just because the strongest part of the eye wall is the northeast side.
Yeah.
But that also then means is that the northwestern side to western side has been strengthening up to match it. More symmetrical wind field.
Also, moving west pretty much with Recon.
If the drop zone shows no significant latitude gain, then I'm going to say with confidence that it has been moving west and not northwest, west-northwest like the advisories.
What did David say?
I agree.
David said 970. I don't think it could be 970. David comment?
No way.
Did he? I don't think so. David comment. Oh. They're trying to make David comment. We have been live for almost, I don't know how long now.
I don't think it could be. I say probably 2-3 hours.
Yep. We are definitely in 2 hours. I don't mind. I love it. This was the plan all day from me. I was working, and you guys don't even understand how bad it was today at work. Very tiring.
I'll BRB.
Oh, new frame out on the radar, and actually, oh,
I don't mind. I love it.
Huh? I won't say for this.
The plan.
look at the radar. Hee latest frame. Oh, that is getting so good looking on the radar.
Holy crap.
You see this?
That might be a meso right there. You see the little notches?
Yup.
Yep.
I can't tell. Is it like
There's
right
like little
here?
C's or little notches.
Right here?
Well, I think another frame just came in.
I'm looking at Wither Kingdom stream, not your stream. Yeah, right there where it's like a C.
Yeah.
Like a backwards C.
Because normally what happens with a closer radar, you'll see a little bit of rain, like mix into the eye, on the side of the eye wall.
Yeah, I know you're talking about.
If you go back a couple frames and follow it like in a loop, it rotates around with it.
It does actually. I can do that here. Oh wow. It is definitely moving west.
Yeah. Alright, I'll BRB.
Alright. Do you think this is gonna leave the cone? I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't think so.
Let's look at latest satellite. I haven't looked at that in a hot minute. Wow, satellite actually a lot more deep thunders from convection, but the eye has dissipate. Do you think this is gonna leave the cone? Good night, Storm United. Oh, good night, Swinson. Are you guys still on?
I'm still here.
Okay.
And the eye is still there. It's just having the overshooting tops cover it. also looks like another convective burst on the southeastern side, southern side.
Yeah.
It's probably
Oh wow, yeah, it's definitely, it's definitely
something
strengthening.
like 280.
What did you say?
It's moving like 280 degrees.
I would say so, yeah. But I want to see the
Drops on.
position of the dropsons.
We're waiting on it. Let's look back at radar. I love looking at the radar. It's really giving us some interesting information.
I can tell you like radar.
Yeah, I have radar. Back at radar. I love looking at the radar. We're at 42 likes. We already surpassed our goal. Why not? Let's go for 50 likes. How long are you guys gonna be on for?
I'm probably going to get off in probably about 15-20 minutes.
Okay. We'll see about that and everything.
Okay, update. Erin did pass within the 60 west, 20 north benchmark to be passing through the A bear box, which is an area where if a major hurricane were to pass through, which Erin is not at the moment, climatologically speaking, they have a higher likelihood of impacting the southeastern United States or Florida's east coast.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean Erin will do that. It doesn't mean it's a guarantee. It doesn't even mean it's a high possibility. It's just the climatological average is higher.
Oh, we forgot. We have hurricane models running. I want to take a look at them. We're also waiting on. We don't have a drop song. That's gonna come in soon, though. Oh my, H-mod is running. Alright, let's look at positioning here. It has its... Do you think this is a good positioning on the H-mod? I need your thoughts. It's north of 19, almost at 20. What do you think?
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, I know. It's the YouTube delay.
Is that the initialization point? 973?
Yeah.
I think the structure looks right.
Yeah, I agree. What about the positioning?
I would say it's close.
Close, right? It is
Yeah.
also at between 61 and 60, yeah. Ooh. Actually has it closer on this run already. Oh, wow. Much closer. Pretty close. Look at that. In the next 21 hours. That's very interesting. You can see Puerto Rico and all the islands here. Look at that. Last frame you did not, so it's a little bit closer on the hurricane models. Also, yeah, stronger. Halves A is running also. Positioning has a 984.
Okay, H-Bond, I see where you're going with this.
Where is it going?
On your screen, it's a 9:32 at 48 hours from now.
Yeah. Oh, Herf. Let's look at that. Herf is also more south, significantly, actually. Interesting. Also stronger. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Let's chill it a little bit on the half say. You can now even see the Dominican has it going much more west.
Yeah, that's not too good.
Yeah, things have trended on the 0Z now, hurricane models. Things continue to escalate with Erin. Erin is saying all gas, no brakes, pretty much. If anyone's actually from WWE, there's a saying in WWE is all gas, no brakes, and that's what this storm is saying, pretty much, as of right now.
If this hot tower rotates around again, the CDO will almost be perfectly circular.
No brakes, pretty much.
Wow. Night Swimson. Oh yeah, we already seen that.
Weather Kingdom.
Yes. Should I look at radar or no?
Actually, the HWRF is running.
I'll be showing you guys that in a second. Hey, Bryce. Okay, in Jacob Fatu's mentality, LOL. He knew what I was talking about. It's a WWE thing. Yeah, that's what the storm is saying, pretty much. All gas, and it's saying no brakes to the west. Pretty crazy.
Weather Kingdom.
Yes.
Weather Kingdom.
Yes.
Not only is the HWRF south, it's also much bigger.
Oh, great.
Oh!
West.
You got a drops on in the south.
Oh, wait. Let me look.
East eye wall at 957 millibar altitude.
What?
It reported a wind of 102 knots.
What? I don't speak English. What? Did I just hear?
In the general.
100. Wait. Let me send this. Wait. Are we joking? Chat.
957 millibar.
Where? Where's the general at? What chat?
It's in just the live stream chat.
Joking.
I don't see it in... Oh. Wait. Oh, come on. Oh, my. I don't see anything in here. Interesting.
Here, I can send it directly to you.
Yeah, please. I could probably look for it. Was it? Oh, the eye. Yep, I found it. Don't worry. 972 millibars, though.
At the 957 millibar level, south winds at 102 knots.
Alright. Was that recorded in a drop zone?
Yep. This is drop zone.
But that's up in the air, though.
That is up in the air, but it's not far off the ground, and it's in the southeast eye wall.
Oh, wow.
Versus the north eye wall.
We have a 972 millibar.
Okay, yeah, 4 millibar drop. And
yeah.
What was the separation of this? It's about, I'm going to say 450 Z versus an hour. 4 millibars an hour.
Wow. We are still in the rapids.
It is still explosively deepening.
Yup.
And it's just the winds haven't caught up to it yet. Or this.
Yeah, there was 102 at 957 millibars.
Should we call this a major?
No.
Hold on. 102 knots.
That's in the...
Is 117 miles an hour. If they take that, that's category 3 criteria.
Interesting.
That's evidence. That's Category 3 winds.
Alright, we need to take a look back at radar. I haven't even looked at it in and radar. Oh my god. Let's look at satellite, then radar, and then let's go back to the hurricane models because everything has significantly shifted to the
By
west.
the way, Weather Kingdom?
Yeah.
You should actually take a look at radar first. This is interesting. It looked like it take like a jog to the north and then due west.
Yeah, that was when that convection band exploded, remember? That was
Yeah.
part of the term, but then it moved to west.
Oh, okay.
We are. Alright, starting soon, if not already, it is. Yeah, that was when that convection. Yep, okay. Look, eye is clearing back open, you guys.
That's bad.
Yeah, it's very bad. Oh, wow. I am tired.
And I think that's the last pass for this mission.
Yeah, and they're going to have a 4-hour gap.
This is going to be a cliffhanger.
Yup.
Alright, so, hold on. They got drops on the eye.
970.
972 with
Yeah.
a 11 knot wind, so 971.
So we're at 971 millibars.
Did you guys take a look at HMON?
I know. I don't even want to I know. I know.
Oh, okay.
You know, to be honest, with how the icon has been doing, the
Everything
hurricane
else is
models have to
trending.
do something to shock me.
The westward movement continues on the radar.
H-Wharf wants 942 by hour 30.
Yeah. I am not too surprised anymore, honestly. Every model has shifted. All hurricane models, GFS, everything's shifting. And look at the latest halves. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can easily see the Bahamas now in here. The Bahama Islands are... Wow. This is much closer to... Whoa. Okay, half speed. Let's take it a little farther away. That is concerning. You have it doing... Wow. Do you guys see this on the... I mean, you look at the last one. A little bit further north. Oh, wow. Half's A2.
Right now, I have a feeling that the hurricane models are trying to catch up still.
Yeah.
Also, I sent another in general. This is from the northwest eye wall from that last pass. Drops on.
Okay. Wow.
It seems like, wait, it's just me or is HAFSA going a lot faster?
The HERFS is seriously to the west.
There are 2 instances of 100-knot winds on the drops on, and multiple instances of upper 90s.
Upper 90 knots?
90, like upper 90s, like 95, 97 knots.
Oh.
And 100 knots is 115 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm.
So the Hurricane Center could pull the gun. They have evidence.
I think for the 2 a.m. update, they're going to go 110.
110.
Yeah. I say 110. 110 or 105. Do they do 105? I don't think so anymore.
I thought they did.
They said
They did do
he.
105.
Did he? I don't know.
They don't do 135. They don't do 135. I'm pulling the gun on mine.
Let's get up to 380 subscribers. We're still got 60 to 70 people watching. It's crazy. Thank you guys. This is amazing.
Recon is out of the storm. And the center fix for that last drops on was 19.5 north.
So nothing moved.
Go back to the first drops on from the beginning of the mission at 00Z. It was 19.4 north.
So it's still going west.
For the last almost 5 hours, it's been going almost due west.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's pretty
I would say
crazy.
bearing probably about 280, 275 at the absolute least.
Oh, you were sending in here. Okay. Advisor actually comes out in 35 minutes. I might stay for the advisory. You guys don't. I'll just do the advisory, and then I'll probably
By the
end
time
it.
I wake up, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a major because the 8 a.m. will be out.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, just curious, when's the next advisory?
2 a.m.
You guys, look how far this is almost... Wow, this is getting close. This is trying to get out of the cone, but it is still moving west.
Okay, this was basically the barrel stream all over again, and I will talk to you guys later.
See ya.
Yep.
See ya.
Tell Erin to not.
Oh, 96 are watching now. Oh, wow.
Can someone please tell Erin to cool its jets?
Yeah, let's put less gas and more brakes. I think we should do that. Everybody, down in the comment below, tell
Oh my God,
Erin
David,
to
really?
cool down. What?
That on LTW's
Oh.
stream, it was showing David's Slot Howard's friggin' thumbnail flying into eat Erin while it's rapidly intensifying.
Sure.
Yeah, my bad.
Yo, I forgot about it. Yo. Oh my God. Wow.
Alright, you guys have fun. Have a good night.
See you.
Wow, you said that, Swimson. Said David's stream was cooked. Coming here now. Who else is still here? LTW, are you still here?
Just gonna speak a little quiet.
We're at 973 subscribers. You're 7 away from 380. We're gonna try and be here for the next advisory.
I'm just letting you know, it's 1:28 my time.
What time it is?
It's 1:30.
Yeah, same here. It is 1:30 in my time also. Last night I didn't get no sleep. Maybe 2 hours of sleep. I couldn't sleep. I was up at 4 in the morning. I went to bed around like 2 in the morning because of the storm. And the storm has already pushed me to another 2 in the morning. Wow. Oh, yo. Can you look at my stream quickly? Look at the latest. Wow. Look at that. The radar.
Wait,
say delay. Look at my stream. Oh yeah, this. See? This? Yeah.
They're gonna have to do a major, actually. They're gonna have to do a pretty good shift. Again.
Oh, yeah, it's almost out of the cone.
It's trying, but the cone keeps getting bigger as it goes out, so. Let's just look at satellite imagery. Let's see where this storm is going with... Oh, wow. Wow. Okay.
Doesn't have an eye right now. I mean, it does, but it's hidden.
Wow. Yo. Oh, have you seen the halves? The halves A is pretty crazy. Wow, we get very close to the Bahamas. Hmon. Alright, let's keep seeing what's going on in the chat. I can't stand that guy. 5 hours at 17 miles an hour. Yeah, Pat did not stream today. He had some difficulties. So I streamed for him. Also, for the channel. It's not as big, but we did very good, I think. Would you agree?
Yeah. Night Mercy.
Alright. It's been a very long stream.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm showing 920s now on the Hemin. Not surprised to be in my opinion. Whoa, and then it shows it weakening.
Why is everyone saying chirp?
Sure. What?
Look in chat.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, like it. Keep cooking, Jake said. Wait, something big happened on my analytics. I don't know what just happened. It just said something on my... Oh, my analytics. Weather Kingdom, you have hit 500 hours of watch time. Great job. Thank you.
They went with 100 miles an hour.
It's out?
Yeah.
100? You just said 200. That's nice. I had 971. I mean, it was between that or that. I want to look at their... Oh, they don't have any discussion. Will they forecast advisory? No.
they shift the cone.
All right, actually, they did talk a little bit about this. Not really. I'm a little bit confused because at 2 a.m. the discussion outlook is the eye of the Hurricane Erin was located near 19.7 longitude and 60 point west. Erin is moving towards the west-northwest near 17 miles an hour. This motion is expected to continue throughout the weekend with a gradual decrease in forward speed. On the forecast track, the center of Erin is expected to move just north of the Leeward Islands and the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico over the weekend. All right, this is a little bit interesting. They also talk about maximum sustained winds that are near 100 with higher gusts. Rapid strengthening is expected over the next 24 to 36 hours, and Erin is forecast to become a major hurricane. So they're expecting another 24 to 36 hours of rapid intensification. That's a lot of time for rapid intensification, if you ask.
By the way, what I still don't understand is they keep going north. They keep wanting it to go north. Why is it? Why are they doing that?
I don't know.
You see it?
They're gonna have a full fix at 5, but ouch, I'm in pain. Just a little bit now.
I'm shocked.
Alright. I think I'm gonna be ending the stream soon. I do want to get some good sleep because I haven't really slept, but tomorrow we'll be able to go live throughout the entire morning and afternoon before I have to go to work at 4.
What time?
I don't know. It's whenever my body kind of wakes up or whenever I see breaking news. Whatever hits me first. I'm running like on 4 hours of sleep in the last 2 days. Eyes trying to clear out. I am so tired. I am beat today. What about you?
About the same.
How's the radar doing? Okay, oh, I know what they did. Okay, this ain't the fully satellite. They do have a little bit more north, but look, you see that bendwards? They're gonna shift the cone at 5 a.m. That's what they're gonna do, and they could shift it even more. That's why they have it like sharply turning to the north. That's not gonna happen. But I don't know why they have it north of the eye. I don't understand that. They're gonna have a refix. Who just
Oh,
joined?
you know, this is interesting. The tropical storm watches were canceled.
What?
Yep.
Oh yeah, they were. Why?
I don't know.
Going to north. It's not going to be an electric effect.
I'm gonna be ending this, you guys. I'm pretty tired. I need rest. Erin has beat the crap out of me. lately.
Didn't I like make a visit on Pat's stream yesterday?
What?
Didn't Erin make a visit on Pat's stream yesterday?
Yeah, it did for sure. Not on my stream.
Oh wait, no, they're back.
What?
The watches.
Oh, the watches are back. Okay.
Yeah, they probably expired. Then they gotta redo it again.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end this, you guys. I'm pretty tired here now. I'm really starting to feel it.
I kind of want to go to bed.
Yeah, I need that rest because tomorrow morning when I'm back at this, we're probably not gonna have radar, but we're gonna have probably a clear eye.
Well, I could do, like at 7. I could do 7.
I'm probably gonna be sleeping, to be honest with you. I'm not even gonna bother and make alarm. Only if my phone's blowing up because the storm is a Cat 5.
I'm saying 7 p.m., not 7 a.m.
7 p.m. I have work. I don't know if Pat's streaming tomorrow, but we'll keep an eye on.
Wait.
Yeah.
Did it jump northwards? Is it going north?
No.
Or is it just the eye?
Let's take a look. It could be a wobble. Maybe a little northward jog.
Like a west-northwest jog?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Let's get up to 400 subscribers. Also, let's get 50 likes. We're 4 away, you guys. Let's do it before we end the stream. Or at least when we're ending it. Who's tired? I know I am. I feel cooked.
The convection is not dissipating, staying. It's either blowing up, not near the eye, the big blob, you know?
Yeah. Oh my. We have been at this. Alright, I think I'm going to end this, you guys. Have a great night. See you guys tomorrow morning sometime. I'll give you guys probably like a 30-minute ahead. So stay tuned to my comments. And stay tuned to, like, if you guys want to continue watching. Please like, please subscribe. And if you hit the bell notification, you'll be able to get my notification of my next video every single time. But besides that being said, I think we are going to end it. If you want to say it, do you have anything else to say?
I just was
No.
gonna say,
Do you guys want to say good night?
the sea surface temperatures are like a tick. The Gulf of Mexico is not a ticking time bomb.
Yeah. Do you guys want to say good night?
Night.
Alright.
Good night.
Have a good night, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow.